Good morning, sir. My name is P. Lakshman of Electrical and Electronic Branch. My roll number is 209558012. Today's subject is Introduction to Robotics. Today my topic is about magnetic grippers. First of all, we have to know about gripper. A gripper is a device which enables the holding of an object to be manipulated. The easier way to describe a gripper is to think of human hand just like a hand, and a gripper enables the holding and tightening and handling and releasing of a object. A gripper is just one component of a autom- automated system. A gripper can be attached to a robot, or it can part of a fixed automation system. Many styles and sizes of grippers exist, so the current model can be selected for the applications. And what is the basic operation of base operating principle of a gripper? Compressed air is supplied to the cylinder of a gripper body, forcing the piston up and down, which through a mechanical linkage and forces the gripper jaws opens and the closes. There are three primary motions of the gripper jaws, and parallel, angular, and toggle. This operating principles refers to the motion of the gripper jaws in the relation to the gripper body. And there is the robot, which is fixed, a robot with magnetic gripper. And magnetic grippers are mostly commonly used in a robot as an end effector for grasping the ferrous materials. In another type of handling the work parts and other than the mechanical gripper and vacuum grippers. And types of magnetic grippers. Magnetic grippers can be classified into two common types, mainly magnetic gripper with the electromagnets and permanent magnets. And in two types, first we have to discuss electromagnets. Electromagnetic grippers include a controller unit and DC power for handling the materials. This type of gripper is easy to control and very effective when releasing the part at the end of the operating. Then the permanent magnets. If the working part gripped to be released, the polarity level is minimized by the controller unit because the electromagnet is turned off. This process will certainly help in removing the mechanism on the working parts. As a result, the best way of releasing the material is possible in this gripper. And coming to second one, permanent magnetic grippers. And permanent magnet grippers don't have required any sort of external power as like the electromagnet for the handling the materials. For this gripper grabs a work part, and an additional device called as a stripper push off pin will be required to separate the work part from the magnet. This device is incorporated at the sides of the gripper. And the advantage of permanent magnet gripper is that it can be used in the adjustable applications in like explosion floor uh, appearance because of no electrical circuit. Moreover, there is no possibility of sparking production as well. Coming to benefits means advantages. This gripper only requires one surface to grasp the materials. The grasping of materials is done very quickly. It does not require separate design for the handling different size of materials. It is capable of grasping materials with holes which is unfeasible in the vacuum grippers. The drawbacks: the grippered work part has the chance of slipping out when it is removed quickly. Sometimes oil is in the surface can reduce the strength of the gripper. Thank you. I hope we all understood this topic. Thank you, sir.